Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include remote keyless entry, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, automatic temperature control, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power front seats. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.